Hello, my sweethearts. It's me, Hotruff here. Welcome to the One Only One Life. I'm on the One Life server, and this is my friend's One Life server. And I did some grinding a little bit, and I'm doing a good job, more or less. We got 3 days to get our mining materials and stuff, and I think I'm ready to set up. I found a good area to make my house. And I'm gonna do it right here. Right. Like, this looks like a good area. I think. It's a little hill. Well, I have peonies too. I mean, I think it's far enough away. Pretty flower field. I mean, who love flowers? I think this is a good spot. Now let's start building. I just have to find some mining materials later on too. Actually, I have a better idea. Much better idea. Build on top of the lake, like Stacy did, like Stacy Place. Build a bridge first. There we go. Oh, let's get my crafting bench and make some torches first. Just in case we want to go mining. And I'm just make sure I'll watch Wi-Fi videos just in case. And in case you're wondering, I'm recording on my brother's computer because mine's still in the shop. But this is the pathway to my house because I found a good area and everything is good. Let's have to make a good pathway bridge. All of that. Afterwards, chop it down like that. I'll just finish recording with Katie. I'm not gonna spoil any episodes with you guys. Come on, I'm not spoiling. First and second, that'll just get me in trouble. And Katie. I'm gonna make it in the ground. So, let's get some dirt for my house so I can make an indoor garden. That's our idea, indoor garden. I like that. Let's see. Also, if you guys wondering how I did phone cover earlier than my schedule, I just got a little hesitation, that's all. But hopefully my cure gets fixed soon and stuff so I get my things backed up. Because it's getting late on the server, but I make underground mining area for now so I can mine. Check out my torches. Yes, I do. Let's see if I can mine a little bit. Let's see, I get the stone. So I can make a furnace. Like that, whatever this is. So it might come handy or something. We'll find more coal. dibs. There we go, there we go. Doing not so bad so far. Let's see. See if I find more iron. That's what I need, iron. Hope I can find it. And also I joined on a YouTube crew. His name is Josh Silver Josh, something like that. I joined in thanks to my friend. And thank you very much, AJ. If you came right now, thank you. But next time, give me a heads up beforehand and stuff. Because, you know, I only joined a YouTube, I'm already in a YouTube group. There we go. There we go. There we go. How far does it go to get iron? So far I'm level 2. That's a good sign. Let's make another crafting bench. One's outside area. Let's see. Let's start making a furnace. And cook some of this stuff. Cook some more pork and stuff I have. And I'll put the video here. For you guys, that's all the time we have. See you next time, Hiker. Bye bye.